Every holding can be changed, and every change can be perceived. With innovative industrial Internet thinking, we can change the digital production process of small batches of PCBA. With the advent of the era of the Internet of Everything, the pace of industrial electronics research and development has accelerated, and the market pain points on small batches, urgent delivery, large factories are unwilling to do, and small factories cannot do well. We insist on partnering with change, and take solving the small batch pain points of the industry as our responsibility. Pcbasic, one-stop electronic information solution provider. Pcbasic focuses on multi-variety, small batch, product development, one-stop fast production of component supply, PCBA, and finished product assembly. In 2016, it established an IT team and developed a high-tech enterprise with MICE digital production management system. Flagship production plants have been set up in Shenzhen and Huizhou, and it has core advantages in the one-stop fast production of PCBA in the fields of industrial control, industrial hub, smart home, vehicle Internet of Things, communication power supply, medical equipment, and automotive electronics. Industry-university research cooperation, technological innovation. Pcbasic has an R&D team, an IT team, and a production management team led by experienced PhD. The company has overcome some SMT process problems. It has developed LCR incoming inspection system, SMT fault detection system, sample patch systems, MICE systems, intelligent material rack, and advanced intelligent electrostatic protection systems, and develop MICE production execution system, WMS warehouse management system, QMS quality management system, APS production planning system, CRM customer management system, and IoT intelligent shelf system. It has built a world-leading production management and technological level service enterprise, and has obtained a large number of soft and patent certificates. Lean production, strict quality control. Pcbasic has formed a complete production system after more than 10 years of technical accumulation and dedicated digital system research and development. And every change can be perceived. The SMT workshop has many production lines for samples, small batches, and batches. And the deep workshop has many wave soldering production lines and many test assembly production lines. The main production equipment includes a laser stencil machine, CNC fixture equipment, Fuji placement machine, 10 temperature zone reflow soldering, automatic printing machine, SPI solder paste inspection equipment, post-furnace AOI, furnace temperature tester, BGA testing equipment, first piece tester, wave soldering, 3 anti-paint spraying machine, CNC splitter, laser coating machine, PCBA cleaning machine, etc. Pcbasic relies on a digital intelligent management system to ensure agile response speed, fast delivery, and high standard quality. The entire production process can be modeled by holographic and quality traced. Established a multi-channel supply chain system such as regional factory, agent, platform docking, and strict supplier certification and management system to ensure a more stable and smooth supply. The factory has passed many quality system certifications, and the products are in line with the latest EU environmental protection directives. Create value and quality service. To respond to global production needs, the company has increased the construction of industrial interconnection digital, set up online automatic pricing, order placement, payment, production process, logistics, and real-time data synchronization of the whole process. Customers can get accurate quotations and quality monitoring of the entire order production process, saving customers communication costs. Before each product is produced, professional engineers check component selection, PCB design, and manufacturing processes to help customers reduce costs and prevent quality risks. Pcbasic serves end customers in more than 100 countries and regions around the world, as well as some domestic listed companies and world-renowned internet technology companies. Long-lasting quality, bringing together outstanding people. Pcbasic helps 1,000 small and micro production enterprises to use self-developed mice systems to achieve digital transformation, contribute to the development and growth of the industry, and create a good corporate brand image. Pcbasic. Fabrication starts here.